Is his pals enough to open the door?
Right, so this is as we walk in. Let's see if we can pass through.
Go on then, you go.
Got it? Alright, so there's your bathroom. Hello everyone. How'd you turn the light on? There it is. Oh, fancy. We'll come and have a look at that in a minute.
Not bad, Dad. Alright, what can you
Have we got any more lights on? Put on.
Is that like a little iPad?
Ah, this is a nice little room, isn't it, eh? Oh, with a nice bed there. How do we turn the lights on then? Right, so that's the other beds. There we go, look. And there's a nice big TV up there as well. On the wall. Another pad and stuff like that in the room.
And
oh, look, what's this?
a telly.
Another area.
A telly.
Oh.
And it comes with the telly.
Are you excited? So you get a TV and a light there as well. So that's good. Right. So that's not a bad little room, is it? Right, but there's only one bed, so that's a problem.
It's not, it's two.
Hold on. Hold on.
Hold on.
What's over there, Jack? Yeah, what's that? Because there's only one bed, that's no good, is it? Right, come on, let's see what's there. What's that? Is it a cupboard? What's that? Put it out of the way then. Another bed. Oh, wow, look at this. Right, let's get the lights on. So this is the view from our hotel room. There's like a castle over there. Don't know what that is. What's that? That must be the new place for Universal. That's the new Universal park right there. That's what I think. Oh no, that's Harry Potter. That's what that is. Sophie's just said that's Harry Potter. I don't know what that is in the distance somewhere over there. God knows. But good view from the 12th floor. That's Universal just there where we just come from.
No, who are you bringing?
Very nice views. That's the car park down there.
He loves the car in this one.
That's what you can actually see as well. Just in the distance over there, you can see downtown Orlando. What do you think then, Soph?
Oh, I love it.
This hotel room. Right, how much did we pay for it?
Get back to you, hang on.
Right, so I'm going to go and get the cases from the car and then we'll probably go up to the bar and have a little drink up there and show you what it looks like up there. But yeah, I think this is a really cool room to be fair. So yeah, let us know what you're thinking down in the comments. Does it look good? Was it worth the price, etc, etc. Yeah. Right, so again you get your living room there and then that moves into the other bedroom. So, and these are just single beds. And then you get your cupboards and you get an iPad in every room. I don't know what that does yet, but I'll have to have a little look at that to see what that does. You get your drawer. How much was it?
£205.
£205. That's a bargain, isn't it? For one night, you get this entire family suite. Not bad, I think. It's quite spacious as well. You get a lot of room, didn't you? So, I think the boys approved, didn't you? Oi, get off the bed, you.
Get your shoes on, get your shoes off.
You got all the TVs in the room and stuff. You got lovely views. And then you got all loads of drawers, storage space. What about this bathroom? This bathroom looks good, doesn't it? Hello, everyone. Got a nice bath, a nice fresh looking bathroom this is. Got your towels there. What do you reckon there? Just like a standard bath there. Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. Oh, it doesn't have a shower there because the shower is over there. Whoa, fancy, right. So that's our shower. Okay, how many people do you reckon you get in here then? Not many if I'm in here, I'll tell you that. But I reckon you probably get a good 3 people in here, maybe 4. That push, so not a bad size. And then there's the El Baño, the toilet, which is separate, which is quite nice. So everyone can sort of do their business. Yeah, you need to ask for a cot. And you've got these double wardrobes. You get hangers. A iron there. You've got an ironing board. A case holder there. Extra pillow and blankets if you need it. So that's cool. Then obviously if you want you can get adjoining rooms. So I think this room is a single room. To add on to this. That's what we saw when we were looking to book this room. We saw somebody do a review of it. It looked pretty good. So we've also got a fridge. Is that the house phone ringing?
It's not the house phone, it says in use, so I don't know what.
Here's your little fridge. Nothing in there, it would have been nice for
I think
a
no
water or
one
something like that.
touched the phone anymore. No one was ringing someone.
You got a safe and some more towels in there.
No touching the phone, alright?
Right, anyway, I'm going to go downstairs and get the cases. Okay, so we've made it upstairs to the bar. So it looks like they've got a bar with a few staff there, so that's cool. And TV screens and sports. And this is the view. And there's lots of different views, but this is from this side. Might as well get out to the... I mean, it's not going to get much better from where we were, but having said that, if you come down the end over here, it looks like there's a really nice view of Volcano Bay. So maybe I stand corrected, there is a really nice view. So you've got Volcano Bay just there. And then over there, it looks like you've got a fun spot. And just in the distance over there, you've got Florida Convention Center. What else can we see? Lots of different things. Oh, a swimming pool down there.
So if I fell down, then I'll...
What can we see around here? So, so we've got just over there's like another wheel and stuff like that. Not really sure what the names of places are. But yeah, you can see all sorts. And again, you can see downtown Orlando, way over in the distance. Probably can't see the reflection. So we'll do that. There we go. Probably see it. But yeah. There's actually another area over there. If I just go and see what's over there. Let's check out over here. It's like the chilled out area almost. So it's not a massive rooftop, but it's pretty nice. You know, you get all these lovely views, which is great. So this is our view that we've got, right? The theme park view. I mean, it's arguable what some people would call is the best view, I guess. All the way around. Hey, can't go all the way around. So they've got some snacks up here as well you can get if you fancy some bar snacks while you're here. There we go. And they've got like quite a comprehensive drinks menu there. You can get all sorts of cocktails and stuff. I mean, prices aren't too bad considering, well, obviously that's before tax. And no, your annual pass discount does not work in the bars. One thing I can see is fireworks. So that must be either Epcot or Magic Kingdom, just over there. I think you see them going off. Oh. It would finish just as I see it. Maybe during the day we'll get a better view, but you'll be able to see things. Yeah, really interesting, the views. So, that's the Rooftop bar. I'm going to get myself a drink now, Sophie is too. And yeah. Right, so I've got a Blue Moon, standard. And Sophie's got herself a little sunset paradise there. Lovely. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give us a little thumbs up. Like the video, share, subscribe, tell your friends. We've got lots of other different hotel reviews on the channel, so go check them out as well. And take it easy. See ya, bye.